This police officer was told about a gas leak by the department.
204 Central, we just had a huge explosion. We've got massive fire out here.
On reaching the destination, he could smell the intense scent of the gas.
Stuff on fire. Just one
This is
power
followed
down
by
the
this
hill.
dangerous explosion.
209, you might want to back your unit up.
Thankfully, the explosion did not take place at a populated area, and no casualties took place.
Get your ass out of my road. Get the hell up out of here.
Keep yourself safe. Get your very own dashcam at bharat-dashcams.com.